Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to allow conversation when Do Not Disturb is on in Samsung Galaxy A02. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, all you have to do is go to setting in your Samsung Galaxy A02. In settings, go to notification. Okay, tap the notification. In notification, you can see the do not disturb. Okay, tap the do not disturb. In do not disturb, okay, you can see the do not disturb is on. And okay guys, if this turn on, all notification is off. But we have an exemption. Okay, you can see below the exemption. And okay guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to allow conversation. And okay guys, you all have to do is tap the call, message, and conversation in exception. And okay guys, here you can see the conversation. And okay guys, to allow conversation when do not disturb is on, you'll have to do is stop the conversation. And we have an option here, you can set into priority conversation or you can select the all. And okay guys, I decide to select the all conversation is allowed to my Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully allowed conversation when do not disturb is on in Samsung Galaxy A02. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.